Right, so let me show you how to change the password of your MacBook Neo. So anytime you lock your screen and you want to get back in there, you need to put in a password. So to change this password, in case you think it's compromised or maybe it's too easy for people to guess, you want to change it by first entering the password and then go to the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings from that little drop down arrow. Inside System Settings, you want to go to the left hand side and scroll until you get to users and groups. Actually, you get to Touch ID and password, beg your pardon. So click on Touch ID and password, and then you can see a login password has been set for this user. You can click on change to change it. Now you'll need to enter the current password. All right. So once you enter the current password, you can now start typing the password you want to change to. And then you need to retype that password so that the Mac can verify that you know the password you want to change to. So retype that new password. And then if you want to, you can put a hint in case you forget that password. And then click on change password. Might take a while because that password also has to be updated to your Apple ID. So once it's done, that's it. So you've successfully changed the password for your MacBook Neo. That's the password for the local account. Keep in mind that this does not affect the password of your Apple ID. This is just for your Mac's local account. Thanks for watching and good luck.